Hello everyone, this is Surya. I'm going to tell you how to create a API routing in Next.js. Yeah, let's start. API routing, it's like you don't want any support from backend. You can directly write all the APIs in Next.js. That is called API routing. Yeah, let's start. First, I'm going to create a API. So I just create a folder name. It's called API, and inside API, I just give one more folder. It's called as users, and inside this users, I'm going to create route.js. Okay, right now I'm going to use some static content. So data, it should be an array, and this array contains object. It's like id starting from 0. I just give name. It's like John or ABC, and email. It's like abc@mail. Okay, I just duplicate this, and this should be 1, and this is efg. Okay, yeah, I'm going to use this static data, and now I'm going to create a get API call. In this video, I'm going to explain only get API. Okay, so export async function, and that function name is get, and yep, here I'm going to just return this data. Okay, copy this and return, and response dot json. I'm going to send it JSON data. Okay, now this is fine. Yeah, our backend code is ready. Now I'm going to call this API from frontend. Okay, so I'm going to create a button get API, and on click here, and here handle get API, and copy this, and after this const and function, it is arrow function. Okay, I'm just using fetch. Our API is present inside this route side, so we need to add this folders. Okay, this folder names API / next users, and then here res.json, and here again then data. Here I will get a data. First I just console this, data. Okay, now our API is ready. Project is also running. I'm going to here. Yep, it should show because we need to add a use client here. Now everything is fine. See, this is our button, and if I click this button, API should call. Okay, so I'll go to network. I just clear this to console because I consoled value, right? So just click that button. See this is our API, and it's sending this response. Yep, see this console. This is what we get from the API route. Okay, yeah, this is what I try to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.